As artificial intelligence advances, concerns about its impact on jobs grow. Will AI be a job killer or a creator in the coming years? Let's delve into this complex topic. Automation is reshaping traditional industries, leading to debates on workforce displacement. However, AI also opens up new opportunities and creates demand for specialized skills. The key lies in adapting to technological changes and upskilling for future roles. Experts predict a shift towards more tech-centric and creative jobs in the AI era. The pace of AI adoption will determine the magnitude of its job market effects. Challenges like ethical considerations and societal implications need careful attention. Education and policy interventions play a crucial role in shaping a balanced AI-driven future. While some jobs may be automated, new roles requiring human touch and critical thinking will emerge. Ultimately, the human-AI collaboration is envisioned as a path to enhanced productivity and innovation. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay adaptable in the evolving landscape of AI and jobs. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.